Hey, it's Dr. Charles, aka CoachMD. In my over 30 years of medical practice, I've made it my goal to help you create a great life by achieving a strong mind, a healthy body, and an unshakable spirit. In order to do that, we need to be well informed. And what I'm going to talk today about is the question, do collagen supplements really work? Now, this author is like me. When trends emerge, my first look is always a critical one. And that's what I say. I always look critically as well. It's important to question and be skeptical as much of this industry because much of this industry is about marketing, and that's true. In my career, I looked at a lot of different studies about supplements, and I myself took and take many supplements, but are they just hokey? Are they just kind of marketing trends? And it's very important to look at all the evidence. So in this article that I'd like to go over, the question is, what is collagen and does it really work? Does it help us? So before we get into whether the collagen supplement efficacy, let's understand what collagen is. Collagen is an impressive family of proteins that are actually the most abundant proteins in the animal kingdom, and that means in our body. There are also different types of collagen in our bodies. There are at least 28 kinds of collagen that we know of that exist in vertebrates. That means us. Type 1 collagen, type 2 collagen, and type 3 collagen are the most common in the human body, and thus what we talk about the most when we talk about those involved in skin and body care. So let's talk about what collagen does. Collagen's role in the body is both simple and complex at a cellular level. It helps make up the architectural matrix or structure of our skin, bone, cartilage, and muscle, with the purpose of helping tissues be more elastic and withstand stretching. So, for example, it keeps skin looking young and supple. That's what collagen does in the body. Well, if we take it, can it do that? Can it help us with that? Can it help us repair our joints, prevent arthritis, let's say, or maybe even reverse a little bit, maybe arthritis, or reverse some of the aging of skin? So let's take a look. I think this author, even though the author's not a doctor, doesn't matter. Many people know a lot of medical stuff that aren't doctors. Let me tell you, in my career as a medical doctor, I learned a lot from my patients. Sure, you can get misled, but many people are well informed because information is just so abundant. So let me know what you think about that. Do you use the internet? Do you bring what you learn to your doctor? And while you're at it, subscribe to my channel. Let me know the kind of videos you'd like to learn, or you'd like me to do, or you'd like to learn from me. I'd be really happy to know that. So while you're at it, subscribe and hit the little bell for the notification. So we synthesize our own supply of collagen via our cells' fibroblasts. Those are skin cells, fibroblasts. Those are the very important building blocks of skin. And assuming they have the amino acids and other required nutritional building blocks they need, that's what collagen does with our skin cells. And I don't know if you knew this, but there's a way now that we could create cells from fibroblasts, stem cells. By reverse engineering those fibroblasts, we can make them into this is for a whole other discussion, but we can make them into what are called idiopathic pluripotential stem cells, or iPSCs. From those iPSCs, which are derived from fibroblasts, scientists now in a lab, and one of the labs that I consult for actually, can create other types of cells from those fibroblasts. So you could want to make those fibroblasts as healthy as possible, because you never know in the future what your fibroblasts can be used for. And this process happens throughout our lifetime. It decreases when we age. That means the production of skin cells from fibroblasts can decrease with age. Our bodies always balance collagen production and degradation, says dermatologist Gary Goldenberg. When we are young, our bodies produce more collagen than we break down. That balance tips the wrong way when we age, since tissue regeneration decreases. Additionally, your natural level can also be reduced by environmental factors and stressors. Gary Goldenberg actually knew at one time when I was a resident, and he was a doctor of dermatology, a really smart guy, Really smart, knowledgeable guy. So how do collagen supplements work? Well, collagen supplements are broken down, digestible forms of collagen derived from animals like cows, fish, and chickens, usually in a powdered form. These are also referred to as hydrolyzed collagen, collagen hydrolysate, collagen peptides, or gelatin. They are broken down through controlled processes called hydrolysis, where water molecules rupture the chemical bonds in these animal-derived collagen proteins. Now, you may have not known it, but real Jell-O gelatin is actually good for you. And I mean the pure gelatin. Maybe not, it's kind of like licorice, where real licorice could be good for you. The candy form of licorice is not so good. So you got to really look to see what the source of gelatin is. Collagen is a complex protein made of 3 chains of amino acids, whereas hydrolyzed collagen is collagen that is broken down into small protein chains called collagen peptides that are made of a few amino acids. Once ingested, these short peptides and amino acids are absorbed into the body through the small intestine. In the body, they travel throughout, supporting our body's natural production of collagen via the fibroblasts, again, those skin cells. And those are the cells, or the things in our cells that create collagen and elastin. You can reap the benefits of this in your skin, bone, joints, hair, nails, and muscles. Now, that's good, but what are the benefits of taking collagen and how long does it last or does it take? Now, I personally believe it works. I take a collagen supplement, and we're going to go over some of the better ones, not the brand names, but what you might look for in a supplement. Speaking of those benefits, let's talk about them and the scores of research studies that back up these claims. Now, I'm not going to go over the individual studies. They are listed here in the article, and I am going to put them in this video, in the body of the description of the video, this article, so you can check offline to see if they make sense to you. They made sense to me. I did review them. So let's look about skin. Perhaps one of the most robust areas of research has been conducted on collagen's effects on the skin. In a 2019 article in the Journal of Drugs and Dermatology, published a review article showing that collagen peptides will support skin elasticity, hydration levels, and promote a youthful texture. In joint health, one randomized clinical trial found that people who took a type 2 collagen supplement for 180 days saw support in their physical function and helped improve joint mobility. Gut support. One of the main amino acids in collagen, L-glutamate, supports digestive health because it's a major fuel source for the cells in the intestine. Bone and muscle. In one small study, men who took collagen daily while participating in an exercise program gained more muscle mass than those who did the exercise program. Now, I engage in very aggressive exercise program called CrossFit. I'm not telling you that that's good for you. I feel it's good for me. And I think my collagen supplement has helped me increase lean muscle mass. And it's also, I feel, helped my joints. So how long does it take for the collagen to work? Now, this, again, slow and steady, because things don't happen overnight. If you want skin support benefits, it may take 4 to 12 weeks before you see anything, 1 to 3 months. Muscle mass and strength combined with resistance training, up to 3 months. Less soreness after physical training within a few days. Joint health support, 4 to 6 months. Tendon support combined with strengthening exercises, 3 to 6 months. Bone density support, 12 months. Hair is unclear. Now, I take a supplement, a collagen supplement, not really helping my hair too much, right? But it can help some people. Nails, up to 6 months. What types of collagen can we use? Collagen supplements come in many different forms: powder, capsules, gummies, drinks, to-go packets, and more. Of course, what option you decide to use is largely a personal one. Some people like the ease of capsules, others enjoy the taste of gummies, and still others like the variety of powders as they blend in practically anything. Now, I would advise, honestly, if you want to get the real effects of collagen, taking capsules, you have to take a lot. You probably need up to 10 grams of collagen. That's a lot. You're not going to take those in capsule form. I think the best form of collagen supplementation, honestly, is in powders. Okay, so your preference and lifestyle will influence your choices. But as far as efficacy, powders are the best, like I said, as they are able to deliver the most potent amount of collagen. In powders, you'll get dosages as high as 15 to 20 grams per serving, as opposed to gummies and drinks, which are usually much lower. Of course, it's fine to choose a supplement with a lower dose if the collagen supplement comes with additional bioactives, but it's just something to note that I'm telling you, it's really hard to get what you need in anything but powder form. So there are 4 things to make sure of so that your collagen works. The dosage. The source, you want to take a very clean source, like for instance, grass-fed, pasture-raised bovine collagen or sustainably wild-caught cod are all good signs. If you want vegan collagen, however, it's important to clarify that those products don't actually contain collagen itself, because collagen is an animal protein, and that's what you won't find in vegan forms. You want it to be clean formulations. Look for products that skip artificial colors, sweeteners, and flavors, as well as fillers, chemical preservatives, gluten, GMO, soy, and other food allergens. If your collagen product is flavored, look for natural and responsible sources varieties, such as organic cocoa and organic vanilla. Timing when to take it. I think this is less important, honestly, so I'm not going to really emphasize this. It is in the article. You can it is accessible, so you can look into it. So in conclusion, the author states that yes, collagen supplements do work, and we have research to back it up, and I would agree with that statement. But you must find a high-quality collagen supplement. So let me know what you feel about this. And until next time, I'm Dr. Charles, urging you to stay strong in mind, in body, and in soul. Bye for now. Hey, Dr. Charles, CoachMD. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure to like and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. If you think you have a friend who might benefit from this video, share it with them. For access to exclusive content, support my Patreon. There you'll get private access to videos, meditations, health tips, even relationship and financial tips. You'll have a say in what I produce and be able to participate in a monthly call with me. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon.